I know it's kind of a weird time right now, and I definitely have a bit more time on my hands, so I thought I would jump in and do another video. I was on London Drugs' website the other day and was trying to buy some more essential items, and I ended up coming across this, which I've had my eye on for a while, and I saw that it was showing that as like available soon on their site, and then I checked again the other day and they were available. So this is the Kiss Falscara, and you'll see they're sort of like little individual sets of lashes, so they're not like a full set, but they're also not individuals. They're kind of like little sets. And then they also have a Falscara bond and seal, which goes with it. Now they didn't have the sort of the tweezers that are supposed to go with these as well. Like they're sort of the 3 items that are part of the Falscara sort of collection from what I can tell, but I figured I'm gonna just try and do them with my own lash or my own tweezers here today and give it a shot. Anyways, the reason I wanted to do this review or first impressions video so bad is because obviously we're all at home right now. A lot of beauty services like lash extensions aren't going to be available, and of course this is not a big problem. You can easily go without lash extensions, but I mean, hey, if you want to look nice for your video chats and you wanted to find an option that you could do from home to sort of mimic the look of lash extensions, it kind of seems like this might be a good substitute, but we're going to try them out today and see. Okay, so if you look at the front of the box, you'll see right away that how this works is that these go underneath your lashes. So they're not like any traditional form of lashes that you may be used to in terms of like putting on false lashes. I'm just gonna do this eye a lot closer because I think it'll be easier to see on this side and for me to use my proper mirror. I'm gonna use the bond first. You can see that kind of just looks like a little teeny tiny little mascara brush. And I'm supposed to just put this as if you would a normal mascara. Get these bad boys. See? Let's grab this guy in the end here. Oop. Number 2. Yeah, squeezing them down after, like from top and bottom, you gotta be really careful, but that definitely seems to seal it in better that way. That's where we're at so far. Number 3. I feel like I'm getting the hang of this. One little guy left here. Just going to seal these up. So it's got vitamin E in it too, so these are supposed to seal in the lashes, but also get rid of any sort of sticky residue that's left on there. Not bad. These really look like extensions. Like they do not look like regular lashes, at least that I've tried before, like in terms of false lashes. I just love how these look, and I love how they feel. They're so light. Like you don't notice them at all because they're underneath your lash line. Now I'm going to show you what they do look like underneath. They don't look perfect, but hey, this was literally the first time ever trying them, so cut me a teeny bit of slack, would you? That's from the side. Not bad. I'm a fan. I love these. Yeah, so if your lash extensions are starting to get a little rough there, or they're just, 1 or 2 left, maybe this is time to make the switch. The next thing to tell is tonight when I try to take this off, because there is also apparently a remover that you can buy. It wasn't available on Drugs at the times, and I just wanted to see if I could try it with a regular remover first. So I'm gonna give that a shot, and then we'll see if I need to actually get the remover as well, but I will report back. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Maybe you'll give these a try. I definitely recommend it. They are super affordable, and I love the way they look. They're great. All right, we'll see what else I can find to test and try out. I know I have lots of stuff still here that has been piling up over the last little while. So I will see you again very soon. Bye.